Hi everyone, I hope you all are good. So from today we are going to start a new series that is going to be a 10-day long series where we are going to discuss the basic difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. So in today's video we are going to discuss what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, and how do we differentiate between the two. So let us just start with the video. So what is artificial intelligence basically? So artificial intelligence basically is a big picture wherein it makes machines smart enough. And now how does it make it smart enough? If the machine is able to learn, think, and is able to solve problems by its own, just like a human brain, that is known as artificial intelligence. So let us just learn it with an example. So suppose I give a robot a task to do. I ask the robot to just cook something healthy for me. Now what the robot will do, it will go to the fridge, it will take out the vegetables and start steaming those vegetables, because robot knows that steaming is much more healthier than frying or cooking. So this is what is known as artificial intelligence, because I have given the robot a prompt and the robot is able to decide by its own that whether he has to cook or he has to steam the vegetable. So on the basis of the prompt, when the machine is able to decide what he has to do, this is known as artificial intelligence. Now what is machine learning? Machine learning is basically a subset of artificial intelligence, because machine learning is the path to achieve the artificial intelligence. Now here, in the previous example, whichever I given you, that how is the robot is able to think that the steaming is much more healthier, because we have trained the model onto a large massive data set wherein it creates patterns and it just creates pattern between the two. So it is able to decide that on the basis of the pattern that we have trained our model, it is able to decide that steaming is much more healthier than frying or cooking. So that is basically machine learning. So let me just explain you with an example of what is machine learning. So think of a dog. That our parents have told us what is a dog. They have just shown us the dog. So they have not given us a 500 pages manual of the ears and the tails. They have just shown us the different types of dogs. So that is basically our human brain is able to learn the pattern that, okay, when the next time I'll see the dog, I'll be able to recognize that, okay, this was the dog. So this is what our brain does. That is same that machine learning happens. It will start recognizing the patterns between the training data set that we have done, between the trained data set and the actual new data set. So when we are able to recognize patterns between the actual data set and the training data set, that is known as machine learning. So basically, in short, I'll tell you that machine learning is basically the path to achieve artificial intelligence. So I hope the difference between the two is clear. In the next video, we'll learn something more interesting about the artificial intelligence and machine learning. So just stay tuned for the next videos as well. We have started this 10-day series. So we will just learn and make it worth it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and also if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll for sure give you the answer. Till then, bye.